This is all true, every bit of it.
Okay.
Not a word. So anyway, I was over in the cafeteria one day, and John was there. John was off. He had major heart surgery, so he was off for a long time. So he's back. He was back to work, and I didn't know it. John worked in one of the departments that I worked in. Eh? So this is the first time I've seen John in a couple of years, and he's there. So I grabbed a coffee and I sit down. And I was talking to him, asking him how you're getting along and stuff like that, right? So John was telling me, he said, John, John stuttered, eh? And if you know anybody that stuttered, when they stutter, they shut their eyes. Easy. They do. So anyway, so John was telling me about the young fella, eh? I said, well, what's going on, young fella, Johnny? He said, well, Budgie bird. I said, you what? We Budgie bird for Christmas. I said, you did, yeah? I said, well, how's the Budgie bird getting along? Well, he said, that's the story. I said, well, what's the story, John? What's going on? Well, he said the Budgie bird died. I said, it died? He said, yeah, it died, right? And I said, so I said, what happened? So he said he didn't know. He said he woke up one morning and Junkie, called it Junkie, his Budgie bird was named Junkie. He said Junkie was dead in the cage. So I said, well, what did you do, John? Well, he was telling me about the young fellow was all upset, eh, about this Budgie bird dying, eh? Gee, the young fellow was all upset. So the young fellow was asking me, what was going to happen to Junkie, if they were going to go to heaven or what. So John said, yeah, Junkie's going to go to Budgie heaven. So anyway, so the young fellow wanted to bury the Budgie bird out in the backyard. So John's telling me, eh, he's trying to find a box to put Junkie in, right? And he couldn't find the box, and he thought about these Eddie match boxes, right? Eddie matches? Yeah. They come in these match boxes. So he said, run over town. He said, get an Eddie match box. He said, bury Junkie in. So he got Junkie in this Eddie match box. And he's out in the backyard, him and the young fellow, this is after supper, he's in, and he dig this hole, he said, poor Junkie, and he said, all the neighbors were watching us, and he said, we put Junkie in the hole, he said, and we covered them all in, and he said, the young fellow went to bed, and he wanted to know if Junkie was going to go to Budgie heaven, eh? So John said, oh yeah, he said he'd go to Budgie heaven. So the next morning he knew the young fellow would be up going out looking to see if Junkie went to heaven. So John said when the young fellow went to bed, he said, I had to go. He said, you're not going to leave me, he said, but I had to go out and dig Junkie up, he said, and take Junkie out the Eddie matchbox. And he said, throw Junkie in the bushes. and bury the Eddie matchbox. He's telling me it was so funny, like I can't tell, like he can. It's just hilarious. He unplugged it up the next morning, and the first thing he was out there with the pick and shovel, digging up the axe box to see if Junkie went to Budgie heaven. John swing them in the bushes. He slinked Junkie in the bushes.
Oh, that's funny.